There's been a lot of talk about DEI, or diversity, equity, and inclusion, in the news lately, especially since President Trump issued a number of executive orders on this topic. So here are 5 things you need to know about DEI and the law right now. 1. DEI is not a thing. It's a generic term that's really a form of corporate branding that was popularized by well-meaning companies to demonstrate their commitment to fairness after the Black Lives Matter and #MeToo movements highlighted pervasive discrimination and inequality across society. 2. DEI is not illegal. Discrimination is. Employers can't make decisions or give preferences based on workers' race, sex, religion, other protected traits. But valuing diverse perspectives and leadership is not illegal discrimination. And in fact, there are still many things companies can do to advance their commitment to equal opportunity without discriminating against anyone. 3. Congress, not the president, makes the law. Multiple acts of Congress and decades of court decisions interpreting them since the 1960s have established the rules that govern the workplace. Executive orders are primarily agenda-setting tools for presidential administrations. They can direct the actions of the federal government, but they have no effect on private companies. 4. While businesses might understandably be tempted to stop some of the things they're doing that they think fall under the DEI umbrella, they actually risk greater liability for doing that. And that's because it's private employees and their attorneys who bring the vast majority of discrimination cases, not the federal government. And the anti-discrimination laws are the same today as they were before President Trump took office. 5. Non-discrimination is not a zero-sum game. The goal of anti-discrimination law has always been to judge all workers fairly and on the basis of merit. Making changes in your workplace that reduce bias against some employees is not an act of discrimination against other employees. It's actually an act of compliance with requirements under existing anti-discrimination law. For more information, please check out the Legal DEI Project, a new initiative I co-founded to help separate rhetoric from law on DEI.